Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw your GOAT token to a centralized exchange of your choice where GOAT will be listing, okay? I'll be receiving a lot of messages from my WhatsApp, from the newbies telling me to do video on how to withdraw goods. Okay, so if you haven't to withdraw yours, follow me step by step on how to withdraw your goods. Okay, so before we dive into it, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And to all my subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate. We are 3,000 big family. I really appreciate all of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, all of you that have been supporting me by liking my videos. May God bless you all. So once you log into your GOAT account, you click on the Let's Go. Click here. Okay. So first of all, you need to claim your token. Once you log in, it's going to pop up and ask you to claim. So just click on it and claim your GOAT, okay? This is just one of my accounts, so I'll be using this account for this tutorial, okay? So once you claim, you're going to see withdraw. They said withdraw your GOATs to any of the 7 supported exchanges, okay? So you just click on it. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we have BitGate, we have Gates.io, we have Bitmart, CoinW, we have KuCoin, we have Mexc and Onus, okay? So you're going to be choosing one out of these 7 centralized exchanges, okay? For the sake of this video, I'll be using Mexc, okay? But you can use any centralized exchange of your choice. And don't forget, before you start withdrawing to any of these centralized exchange, make sure that you have done your KYC, okay? Do your KYC with your either your NIN plastic card or your international passport or your driver's license, okay? Make sure that your KYC is verified, because if you didn't verify your KYC, they might not send your token, okay? So once you are done, you click on any of the exchanges that you want to send to. I'll be using Mexc. Some of you might not have Mexc because maybe you did not verify Mexc, you verified KuCoin. So you can just click on KuCoin, anyone that you want, okay? So I'll click on Mexc. So they said 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%, okay? So anyone you want to withdraw, in case if you want to withdraw 50% and need 50% for staking, you can click on 50%. If you want to withdraw all your token, you can withdraw all your token, okay? So if you want to withdraw all your token, you click on 100%, okay? So the next thing we're going to do, they said UID, address, memo, okay? So I'm going to my Mexc now to get the details, okay? Okay, guys, this is my Mexc. If you're using Mexc, you just click on this, your profile icon. Even if you're not using Mexc, if you're using any of the other exchanges, you just click on your profile icon here, on this place, okay? On that profile icon, you click on it. As you can see, my account is verified, okay? My account is verified. The next I'm going to do is to copy your UID. See the UID here? Okay, you see it's UID. They just 6-digit number or 7-digit number, I cannot remember. So to copy your UID, okay? So you're going to paste your UID here, okay? Once you paste your UID here, you go back, you copy wallet address, then you paste your wallet address in the second column, okay? On the third column, you're going to paste your memo, okay? Please don't mistake this UID for memo. So in the first column, you paste your UID. In the second column, you paste your wallet address. In the last column, you paste your memo, okay? So I'll paste my UID now, and I'll go to Mexc to copy my wallet address, and I'll also show you how to get your memo, okay? Okay guys, for you to get your wallet address, you click on this wallet, okay? You click on this wallet here, you click on it. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on deposit, okay? Click on deposit. Then click on deposit crypto. So on the search bar, you're going to search for goats. Okay, so this is goats. Please make sure that it's goats. This GOATS. If you come here, you are going to see two goats. This one, there is no S in it, but this one there is S in it. So it's this one, this first one, there is S in it, that you choose, okay? Goats. So you click on it. So you tap here to generate your address. Okay, you can click here to send, so that they will send you your wallet address in your email, but you can click here to skip, okay? So I'll just skip. Then you click here to copy your wallet address, and this is your memo, okay? This is your memo. This is your memo. Just click here to copy your memo, okay? So I'm going to fill in my own in my Telegram, okay? So as you can see, I have filled in my details, okay? This is my UID, this is my wallet address, the last column is my memo, okay? So once you are done, you click on withdraw, okay? So I'm going to click on withdraw now. Okay guys, so it's withdrawing now. I think on the 5th of December they're going to send the token, or before the 5th of December, okay? Please, if you're sending yours, make sure that it don't make mistake, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And please, if this video is helpful, kindly like my video, comment and share. And if there is any question, drop your question in the comment section below. Also, if you're not in my WhatsApp community, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp community link below this video in the comment section or in the description box of this video. Click on it to join my WhatsApp community, because it's not every update that I post on my WhatsApp that I post on my YouTube channel, okay?